Hey, lady. What you eating?
Apricot.
Where you going?
Going to Florida.
Yeah, no. That's like 24-hour drive or whatever.
Where are we going?
48 hours.
We're going to
No, it's not.
Echo.
20
We're
hours.
going to Echo.
We're going to Echo?
Look at the reindeer.
Really? We got a Santa girl here. We got a elf girl here. And we got some dude in the back, all the way in the back over there. You can't even see his head because he's a little shorty back there. Hi, girl.
Oh.
Yeah.
Chad, it's rainy.
Look at all this rain today. Oh my goodness. Why is it so rainy today?
All this rain? You mean a little drizzle?
Drizzle. It's all wet. It's so wet. All rainy and wet. Oh no. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? Rainy.
Rainy or rainy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that church. It's too bad it's really foggy, otherwise you can see the lake down there. It's so pretty.
That's right. It's so rainy. Oh my God, so rainy. What we got here, Condo? What we got here, baby? What is this thing? A bus?
Yeah.
Whoa, it looks really cool, huh? Go check it out. Whoa, look at that thing. Is it?
I don't know.
Whoa, it's old school. Okay, go. Oh, they left us. They left us. Look, they're all the way up there. Go. Do 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 do. Mama, you look cold, Mama. Are you cold?
It's slippery.
Where's the turtle? Show me. Ooh. What's the name?
I'm gonna name this lake and I'm gonna name that one subscribe.
What? What are you gonna name it?
I'm gonna name this one lake and I'm gonna name that one subscribe.
Oh wow. Whoa. What we got here, baby? The reindeer antlers?
It's a real one, right, Mike?
Mm-hmm. It's pointy.
찌개섬 reindeer. 진짜 재밌었다.
I remember that. She's extremely friendly.
That is funny.
Wow.
Are they family?
What's that? Sisters? Sisters, yes, sisters. Yeah. A year between them. 8 and 9 years old, but they're both sisters. in her mouth.
Oh, those are huge.
Yes. So she's 9.
9.
So that's her 9th set of antlers.
Wow.
Now she's gonna go see Dad.
There is a fish tank under the shipwreck.
Fishies.
Fishy, fishy. What's?
Look, the goofy stuff.
Oh my gosh.
General Butler, a sailing canal boat, sank in a winter storm off the Burlington Breakwater.
Oh, look, big fish, big fish. Take that.
Once the wreck was found, the Lake Champlain Maritime Museum began a 3-year study. In 1985,
Where you going, baby?
General Butler became the first shipwreck in the Vermont Underwater Historical Reserve program.
Ah! This is you again. Anola. Anola. Hi. What you looking at? Fishy?
Look at that fish.
Is that your dinner? It is? No, you cannot eat that.
We eat fish that
That's a big giant fish, baby.
meal for
Is this for me again?
mommy.
For who?
Mommy.
Mommy? I thought it was for me again.
No, because I'm making 2 for mommy and you.
Love my heart. Sun and cloud. What else? You and mommy? Is that you and mama walking together, holding hands?
I need to make you.
Huh?
Make you.
Oh, it's me and you?
And mommy. And Petra. And Aja.
Oh wow, you calling everybody, huh?
Where's Mama?
Under the shipwreck.
This is Daddy. This is you. This is me. This is Tetra. This is Aja. This is Nguyen. This is Manoa.
Daddy may go any.
Daddy's right here.
It's Jojo.
I mean, that's okay.
What, did she make daddy the shorty?
Yeah. No.
And her brother's taller?
Oh no. This is you apparently. This is me. That's her. That's Jojo. That's Aja. And that's who? Oh, what? Oh no, Banoy. Oh, there's 7 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there's 7 of us.
Oh my god. Where's Twin and Sindo?
Oh, yeah.
Ah, 2 little doggies, huh? 2 little doggies in heaven. Wow. Can I see? Can I see?
The whole family.
Can I see? Can I see?
9 people in our family.
7 people and 2 doggies.
Was given by Senator Menzies in 1977. The head and neck
I think Champ, if he's ever found, totally notoriety.
How do you flatten it? Okay, read the instructions.
over here first. Put it over here first.
Oh, 그게 장소래. Instruction to read, Sheila. You have to read the instructions. Okay. Nice.
Oh, so I think she was waiting.
Oh, you have to go there first. Take your time. 어렵게. 이게 진짜 써먹는 거야, 이게. Okay, can do yourself. You can do it.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see. There it is. Woo. Good job.
Okay. So now next step. Push it more. No. Push it more. Push it down. Pull it down.
Two hand. Two hand. Two hand. Two hand.
There you go. That's it. That's it.
You gotta let go of that. Okay, now hold it. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, there we go.
Now different shapes. You know, this is cross shapes. Under this thing. Yeah. Okay, now I do the special shape test.
Whoa. Stop filming. Whoa. Let me see. Look at the big giant turtle in there. Look at the big claws.
Whoa.
The turtle head is above water. See it? There it is. Look at the claw. Oh my god.
Look at its tail. Fishy.
Oh, there's a fish there.
Is that its food or just like fish that lives
No, just fish. Wow, look at the big tail. Look like a dinosaur tail. Hi, little turtle.
Baby turtle, Daddy.
Baby snappy turtles.
Daddy, a baby snappy turtle.
Oh, she's trying to eat the
Oh, that's a lot of turtle in there.
동무대. 쓰게 오래 하려. 콕 하나 뒤에 동무대.
No,
Why
not
is he trying
eating
to
it.
swallow it?
No, you can't. Not swallow it. Just moving
Maybe
it.
he's just biting it.
You can't eat the rock.
Guys, look down there.
Baby snappy turtles.
It looks like a little piece of
There's nothing
look like
on
a rock.
Person.
Oh, look, look, the turtle moving with the sharper shell. You see it?
There's like 3 of them on top of each other. Oh, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize. So
I
many.
don't. Wait. I don't think all of these. Not the ones with the flatter shells. I think are snapping
There's
turtles.
like already
See the ones with the flat shells? See the ones with the flat shells and the ones with like the pointy shells?
Oh, that turtle. Look, baby. Look. Turtle. You see it?
Yeah, but Daddy, go down here.
Down here? What's down here? Oh, I see it. Oh, yeah, I see it in there. There's a fish. I see it.
Turtle.
Yeah, there's
It's
a
a
turtle in
snappy
there.
turtle.
Yeah.
I saw a snappy turtle down there. See? And another
I don't think you can fit in there, Mama. You'll bump your head.
They're trying to go through the glass.
Turtle are swimming with the fish. Oh, there's one more turtle in there. Look. Oh, there's more turtle over there. Look at it. Look at that big one.
Whoa.
Look at the big shell.
Daddy, look at this rock.
Where?
You see that?
Oh, I see it. Yep, I see it.
I see another rock.
Where?
Here.
I see. Look at the turtle right here. Oh goodness. kind of whale was that, Jojo? Beluga whale, huh? You need help, baby? Yeah, just like that. Yeah, see? You can do it. Good job. Breaking the rules, Mama. Can't be touching with your hand.
Well, this one's definitely ready. It wasn't ready.
You're gonna wait for 2 minutes, baby. Okay? You gotta dry, okay?
Get rid of all that extra wax.
Hi. Are you a kid? This is for kids, okay?
It doesn't say it's for kids, it's for anyone.
It said for little kids. So it said right there, for little kids, not for old ladies like you.
It's for anyone who's interested. Curious.
Hi, princess.
No, it's definitely no, that's not my face. I got rid of my face. No, that's Huddle. Huddle literally just did it.
You have to wait for
Yeah, it's not wait 2 minutes.
You have to wait for something.
No, it's not done yet, baby. Is it done? Show me. Is it done? Oh, maybe it is done. All right. Ooh, yeah. There you go. Oh, it fell out. There's your spoon. Oh my goodness. What are you building there? What are you guys blocking all the water for?
Build it and then it's supposed to make the boat. Boat was the. See?
Higher. Go higher.
Can't go any higher.
That's the maximum?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Harder. You can do it. Put all that gymnastic skill in there. Rope climbing skill from gymnastic. Yeah, keep going. You can do it. So dramatic. It's like, Keep going. You can do it higher. Go up to the maximum. You can do it. Go on. Okay. There you go. Hello, hi. Look at your hand.
I got some freshly frozen ice cubes for you.
Say thank you. Say thank you.
There you go.
On its name. Come find out why the young animal aircraft and what it echoes reptilian animal ambassadors. This will begin in just a few moments, so head on over to Lakeside Hall from the Lost Floor Echo and learn about this very unique species of whoa.
Oh, look like you made it hot, so it's glowing red now.
Okay, we're gonna stick our hand on the table for 5 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look, we
Whoa.
left our hands there. And you do the same thing with the ice cubes. You start going, you start drawing. So this camera reads, you know, the heat. It's different than our eyes. So to the camera, it looks like we drew our hands, but on here, it's not.
Like this big ice cube.
Oh, look at that. It's cold.
And now let go of it.
Oh my god, I got a multiple color in my hand.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Look at that.
I'm gonna try again. Look, I got an infinity stone. Look at this. I got an infinity stone.
No, that's a diamond.
A diamond? No, it's an infinity stone. It's a space stone.
What if I do
How are you even supposed to?
There's Santa right here.
Oh look, someone got it in the hole. Oh, so close enough. So close. There we go. Oh. Show me. Show me, Jojo. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. I see it. There it is. Do it, Santa. Bang! Bang! Bang!
Is smoke coming out?
Yeah, I see it. It's moving harder. Sound the war drum. We got a whole rhythm going on. Okay, let's go eat. Go. It is all rainy and wet today, but we're at the water in the rain. We're at the water in the rain. It's all wet. Oh, there's no rain. Okay, all right. Honey, don't fall, Mama. Be careful, okay? Kind of stuff, baby. It's wet.
I tried this before and it never falls, right, Anla?
But that was when it's dry, baby.
Let's go eat.
All right, we're going home. Bye-bye.